In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily add Ask Me Anything filter on Snapchat. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys. So let's get started, and first off open up Snapchat app and then just select any lens from that carousel and then hit at explore icon. That will open up explore page where you should search for ask, and that will show you different filters, different lenses which you can use. I'm just gonna pick Ask Me Anything, the first one. You can just tap on it and it will load this lens, and then you can just tap on the screen to generate random thing in that bubble, random question or whatever, and then once you find one you like, you can just take a selfie, take a picture, or you can hold down this button to record a short video, and once you've done with that you can continue editing that snap. You can use all that stuff, you can add there some text, stickers and other stuff, and once you've done with that hit at send to and send this snap to your friends. Now you can write down in the comments below if you have any questions about the tutorial, hit the like button if you like that video, and see you in the next one.